Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Got some people walking upstairs, so there's going to be creaking on the floor. It is the burgundy, and I like how they put the color, the burgundy color right here on the S. That's pretty cool this year. Just instead of a standard S. So just simple box. It's very thin. I've already cut the tape. So pick up the lid there. There's nothing there on that side. Then you're greeted with the phone here. Just pull the tab up right there, and you got the phone right here. That's so put that to the side, and then you just got. If I can get this box out, simple little box here that has your SIM ejection tool and your books inside the box there, and that's pretty much it. No charger in the box this year, so we got to buy our own. Luckily I just have my 25 watt right there, so that's good enough. The 45 watt is $50, and they don't charge as fast, from what I heard. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give my video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, and I will probably do a little review of this phone and everything later. But anyways, till then, have a great day, and see you in the next video.